If you're watching this, chances are you're serious about becoming a data scientist. And here's a kicker, AI won't replace data scientists. It's actually amplifying the role. So if you're looking to future-proof your career, stick around. You're about to learn the ultimate roadmap to becoming a data scientist in 2026. Alright, let's get into the nitty-gritty of what you actually need to focus on if you want to land a role. First things first, before we talk fancy algorithms and cutting-edge AI, we need a solid foundation. If you don't understand the basics of how data works and the core concepts of statistics, everything else is going to be shaky. So first is data thinking and stats. Think about it this way. If you can't identify patterns in data, how will you interpret the results? So understanding basic stats like distributions, correlation, hypothesis testing is your first step. And believe me, AI won't do this for you. Next comes SQL, real world data query. Don't skip this. If you want to get your hands dirty with real data, you need to understand SQL. You'll be writing queries, filtering data, and joining tables. It's the bread and butter of data work, and if you can't query a database, you are going to be stuck. So start with the basics like select, where, group by, joins, and then move to advanced techniques like window functions. Now, once you've got the foundation, it's time to dive into the tools of the trade. This is where you will start to see how real data science happens. Python and Pandas are your go-to tools. Python is a programming language of choice in data science. You'll use Pandas for data manipulation, which means cleaning, reshaping, and summarizing data. So these are the tasks that take up the bulk of a data scientist's time, so mastering them early will save you countless headaches. You should also get comfortable with libraries like NumPy for numerical data, scikit-learn for machine learning models, and matplotlib or Seaborn for visualizing your results. Now we are getting into the exciting stuff, machine learning. This is where you start to move from basic analysis to making predictions. And trust me, this is where you really separate yourself from other aspiring data scientists. So focus on the bread and butter algorithms first, like linear regression, logistic regression, decision trees, support vector machines. But don't just memorize the formulas. Understand the problem they solve and how to evaluate their performance using metrics like precision, recall, and F1 score. Scikit-learn is your friend here. It's a Python library designed to help you build models without needing to reinvent the wheel. Now in 2026, it's not enough to just build simple machine learning models. You need to understand how AI fits into the bigger picture. So there's RAG, Retrieval Augmented Generation. Here we are talking about building systems that can search and retrieve information, not just predict based on a dataset. This is huge, especially when dealing with large language models, LLMs, and conversational AI systems like ChatGPT or GPT-5. Also integrate AI with data pipelines. So being able to deploy machine learning models and have them interact with real-time data sources is the key. Think of it like connecting the dots between data storage like S3 or MongoDB and real-time processing. And now let's talk about what really matters, projects. It's not enough to know the theory, you need to build things that prove you can handle the job. So here are a few project ideas. You can work on a real dataset and build a machine learning model that solves a business problem. You can develop a predictive model that helps a company forecast sales, customer churns, or stock prices. You can also build an AI-powered chatbot or recommendation system that integrates with web apps. Build a strong GitHub portfolio, write blog posts explaining your projects, and share it with everywhere. Companies want to see practical, real-world applications, not just exam scores. But here's the thing, landing these jobs isn't just about knowing the technical skills, it's about having a clear roadmap and knowing how to position yourself in the front of the right employers. And this is where I want you to give the chance to fast-track your career with something special. So if you're serious about landing an AI or data science job that could pay up to $250,000, I want to personally invite you to a free masterclass. We have helped over 46,000 individuals just like you land their dream jobs using our proven 3-step framework and roadmap. This is the same process that's helped so many of our community members break into high-paying AI careers. You'll find the link in the description below and in the pinned comments. This masterclass is 100% free and it will give you the exact roadmap you need to follow. So now let's talk about the roles we're aiming for in data science. So data science is broad. You might start as a data analyst and work your way up to data scientist, then eventually a senior data scientist or even AI architect. Entry-level roles can pay anywhere from $60,000 to $100,000 in the US, and senior data scientists and AI architects can easily break 6 figures. And here's the good news, the opportunities are growing. There's still time to jump in, whether you're transitioning from another tech field or just getting started. So here's the deal, don't rush the process, master the fundamentals, build projects that matter, and use AI as your tool, not your crutch. Stick to this roadmap and you'll be ready for data science job market in 2026. So if you found this video helpful, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and if you have any doubts or if you want us to cover any particular topic, let us know in the comment section. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.